Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 5, 2026, Friday, Racing. Balik ang karera dito sa Philippine Jockey Club, Padre Garcia, Batangas. Patuloy po, Ferrocom Rating Based Handicap System Race. Ngayong araw ng Biyernes, meron tayong 8 karera at 8 karerang pare-parehong distansyang 1,200 meter distance. Starting time ng karera, 5:30 p.m. alas 5:30. Dito po sa araw ng Biyernes, atin pong focus uli. Ang karera na naman ay Philippine Jockey Club. Ito ay hanggang weekend na. Friday, Sabado at Linggo. So tara na. Atin na pong muling himay-himayin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, first pick 6, covers races 1 to 6. Mataas na grupo, pambihira lang, 71-83 classification. So, itong race 1 ay rating based handicap group 47 and up. Mas madalas nating makita na mataas ay yung 57 to 70. So dito sa race 1, ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 3, Pirate with Jackie JT Zarate. Race 2, winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. May Pentapecta. Rating based handicap group 11 to 15. Dito po sa race 2, ang ating pong cool first choice, last to enter, number 7, Pay the Line. Galing sa layoff, pero merong napakagandang barrier run. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 1, Seychelles. Race 3, second pick 6, covers races 3 to 8. Second pick 6 na dahil yung race 1 ay first pick 6. Meron tong Pentapecta, rating based handicap group 11 to 15. At atin po kagad napansin na lahat ng kalahok dito ay all entries. I mean, ay rating based handicap group 11. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Success of Times. Cool second choice. Ito po, palagi nating kasama sa cool choice natin o cool choices natin, pero laging kanyang mga nakarang takbo negative running, pero mas gusto niya at kamay niya dito sa Philippine Jockey Club. Yun po yung aking humble observation. Cool second choice, number 2, Antonio de la Mugis. At meron po tayong cool third choice, number 4, Marquis Angel. Race 4, pick 5, covers races 4 to 8. Ang race 4 po ay rating based handicap group 11 to 15. At dito po sa race 4, 6 na kalahok. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, bagamat ang kanyang mga nakarang takbo ay puro negative result. Pero ang ating pong humble observation, nasa kondisyon na. For the win, cool purse and only choice number 2, Central Bank. Five, Pick 4 covers races 5 to 8. Ang race 5 po ay may pentapekta, rating based handicap group 22 hanggang 27. Ang ating pong napiling cool first choice, number 5, Concrete Solution. Hindi naman to siguro may iwan kung positive running. Agad-agad kasama ito o nasa bandang unahan. Cool second choice, number 4, isang puting kabayo, Elizabeth Joy. 6, may pentapekta, rating based handicap group 22 hanggang 27. Dito po sa race 6, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4. Palagay ko, malakas po yung aking assessment na this time for the win na siya. Hindi siya may iwan at ang kanyang pagsugot this time tuloy-tuloy. Cool first choice number 4, Wild is the win. Ang ating pong cool second choice, couple entry, 1, high intensity, 1A, feel the burn. At meron po tayong cool third choice, number 3, borderline. Race 7, may pentapekta, rating based handicap group 22 hanggang 27. Sa race na ito, ang ating pong cool first choice, sakto o tamang-tama lang ang distansyang 1-2 para sa kanya at sa tingin ko ay nagbatak na ito sa nakaraang pagtakbo, last time out. Hindi siya dito kinakailangang magapura. Cool lang. Cool first choice number 2, Brown Missile. At ang ating pong cool second choice, baka naman manorpresa at this time positive running, number 6, Benji's Prayer. Dumako tayo ngayon sa last race, race 8, paratingan. Ang race 8 po ay may Super 6 at rating based handicap group 16 hanggang 21. Dito po sa race 8, ang ating pong cool first choice, parang ang aking pong humble assessment, nakakuha ng parang karerang mamaniin lang niya kung sakaling positive running. Cool first choice number 10, Stripe of Pink. Pero meron po tayong cool second choice, yung coupled entry, 2, Grand Monarch at 2A, Danish Sun. for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!